I got some tea for you. Stay tuned and we'll see. We'll see. Wow, right when you come in, you can see how grand it is. But also on a Saturday afternoon, how crowded it is. It's like spring colors, Easter colors, purple, pink, light blue, teal. And it looks like some teacup, mad tea party type of stuff. I like it. Here's the gooch of the teacup right here. It's a little furry. Oh man, it's kind of people bumping into everybody. And then here's a teacup right here. A teacup of life. Kind of looks like an elephant with gems and a gooch right there. Oh, and what's underrated sometimes are the flowers down here. Everyone's looking up, but then you gotta look down here too. These flowers are beautiful, colorful, and they smell like flowers. I don't know what the theme is, but it looks like a tea party. Got the B for Bellagio, some teacups, and some butterflies. Oh, look at this. This leaf is spazzing out right here. It's having a photosynthesis. And here it is, guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. The back side of the mountain from the display. Oh look, it looks like the DreamWorks thing. A moon with the kid sitting in it. Oh wow, it's a balloon. I thought everything was a teacup. But this is actually a balloon with a teacup inside. And it looks so soft. Oh, it's moving too. It's kind of moving side to side over the water. Big balloon scene. And we're coming in from the back. By the way, I like it. Here's the garden table. Click there for reservations for the conservatory. But look, oh, someone's eating dinner. I want to ask them, how much did this cost? Or they're eating brunch. I wonder how much this costs, because it's like a private gazebo from this restaurant, Sadell's. Oh man, what's the markup for this cage? Just like Biggie said, we're coming in from the back, get deeper and deeper into this display, and we're gonna come around and it will reveal like the whole actual display from the front. Looks like big, I think those are tulips. The best kissers of all the flowers are tulips, because tulips. This one looks like a yellow sakura. I don't know if it's still called a sakura, but it's yellow, bright yellow. And then here's some, I don't know if these are real or fake. These huge ones. Oh, I think these ones are fake. Oh, there's an actual snail on it right there. And then these flowers are real. There it is, in all its grand glory. Looks like an old man cat face on that teapot. Purr. There's the mountain is a waterfall. Here's a big pot over here with the tulips, the balloon, and then over here there is a teacup it's pouring into, and then the DreamWorks kid, which is a girl sleeping on the moon while her teacup is spilling and she doesn't know it. I hope she doesn't run out of tea. This flower right here has a striking resemblance to the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. The thing is, it's only slightly different. This one has softer edges, no teeth, but it's still reaching out for you, trying to eat your face. I hope they all know that all the tea that's being poured is actually spilling out of whatever they're pouring it into. So it's actually pretty wasteful from a tea's perspective. She likes taking pictures. Look, she holds the camera with the pop socket, she aims, and then she takes the picture. Yeah, I like this purple one. It's like purple tea, purple cup. Doesn't that sound like a boba place? Either way, I kind of want boba now. And here's a hummingbird. Is that a bird? Yep, humming. So this is a fake teacup because if you look closely, it's empty inside. Just like my soul. And it has eggs that need to be hatched. It's a hummingbird inside. So all that water is the hummingbird's water breaking while it's laying the eggs. And this is a false tea mug because it's hollow inside. They're trying to trick us, but at the same time, make us feel good about how sweet it is. How sweet it is. Oh no, bad news guys. Here's another trick. They're just pots. It's not one big bed of soil. They're just pots. I would say I'm disappointed, but I'm not at all. It's still beautiful. There's a frog in this cup. There's a frog right there. I must say that all this art, like all this artwork is really riveting. Very riveting. Because, you know, because ribbit, that's what a frog says. Right? Thank you for not walking through the garden. Is that the whole point of this whole garden, is to walk through it? I don't get it. Here's a gazebo, and inside this little gazebo of tree trunk is a chandelier, just like Sia. And let me Sia this next dress over here. Because Sia chandelier, Sia this next dress over here. Oh, this is not appropriate. Oh, I can't look under. Oh, look at that. This is the most respectful upskirt that there is. So what I like to do is to look at everything. See that there's bees and there's yellow over there. There's pink and there's a moon and butterflies over there. There's hummingbirds and purple over here. And by the end of it, I'm gonna think of a name of this garden and see how accurate it is to the actual name after I look online to see what it is. Here's the bridge walkthrough that we always like to go to. It's a must. So here's a lady holding tea. It's like Marie Antoinette type of style. The Gertin or something. A Gertin is instead of town. There's more cups here. And then here's the chandelier. Just peer at the chandelier in its brightness. Fit for royalty, your highness. It's pretty high up there. Nope, I can't think of anything else. So here we are, we're on the other side of that frog and the flower. And here's another flower kind of opening, and here they are offering tea. But I don't know, look at that face. I don't know if that's something I want to trust. Does the tea have you know, something in it? What if she just blinked and looked me right in the eye? That would be creeped out. But just, I don't know if I trust her tea now. I don't know if I want to be sipping on her tea. Is it oolong tea, if you know what I mean? If you just say, if you know what I mean, after anything, then it sounds kind of gross. Like, I'm gonna sip on her tea, if you know what I mean. Or like, oh, I'd like to smell that flower, if you know what I mean. Oh, these branches are all twisted, if you know what I mean. Whoa, those bees have stingers, if you know what I mean. See, it's all perspective. So I asked Mrs. Latruce what she thought the name was after looking at everything, and what did you say?
It's the Bridgerton Dream.
Bridgerton Dream. I think my thing would be, I think I would have dream in it, like a dream and a rose or something like that. A dream and some tea, I don't know. Then here's the other teacup. It is white teacup with bees on it. It says Bellagio on it. And then on the top, it's kind of like an Alice in Wonderland type of bunny slash human girl type of thing. Oh, look at that how it pours out there. There it is, honeybees, Bellagio honeybees. Oh, and then there's a honey scooper back here. And then there's the girl explaining a menu to a bunny that has a bee buzzing above it. And then here's the big flowers that looks like drops of dew. Oh, it says tea and tulips. That actually, I don't know what my guess was and what Mrs. Latruce's guess was, but I think tea and tulips might be the name of it. I'll look it online and verify. But here it is. Here's the garden, and here's our perspective of it. I hope you liked it. I like it. It's pretty crowded though. So that intro when I was talking about tea, this is it. This is the tea. I'm sorry guys to disappoint you, but no, this is not disappointing. This is beautiful. Accept it and enjoy it. I mean, just enjoy it. Accept it, that sounds like a little aggressive. Here's another cool thing about Bellagio. It has this chocolate fountain. It reminds me when I ate at Taco Bell one time. Fountains and fountains and fountains of whatever I ate at Taco Bell. And the last 2 days before that.